What is going on, my friends? Hank here with something I am very excited to share with you all today. The channel has been a little quiet over the past week or so, and my apologies for that, but I have been working on something big. Namely, this. This beauty here is Border Models 1/35th scale Type VII U-Boat, and what a kit it is. This whole seascape die was scratch built, tip to tail. It's just about 2.5 feet long. Far and away the biggest thing I've ever worked on, and this was just a blast. Now, I don't like making tutorials for you guys when I'm in uncharted waters myself. Accidental submarine joke there. I don't have a ton of experience with naval models, so this involved a lot of trial and error on my part, and I didn't film the whole process. So here is what I would like to do. A little Q&A. If you have any questions about the techniques I used for any part of this project, the seascape, the build, the weathering, anything at all, fire away down in the comments below. I will take those questions away, and in a separate video, we'll come back and have some detailed discussion about what I learned and what worked for me, hopefully to help you in your next project. So, let me know what questions you guys have, and next week we'll get back on here, talk a little more about dieses große, schöne Unterseeboot. Until next time, my friends, be well, happy building, cheers.